Hey there, reality explorers. Eric back again, and in this video we're going to talk about something special. Have you ever heard of impossible objects or impossible shapes? Do you think they might be actually impossible? Well, it's kind of like an optical illusion, if you've ever heard of that. Basically, you look at a shape and you think, wait, how is that possible? That's impossible. These are some examples here. You see they fold in on themselves. And if you would think that they're an actual object, you would think it would not be able to exist. But actually, with the power of augmented reality and Reality Labo, we're going to be able to manipulate and explore impossible objects. And that's what we're going to do in this video. Okay, Reality Labo, realitylabo.com. It's prototypes where you can rapidly make and create everything with augmented reality. I'm going to give you a look at my messy desk here. And what we have down here on my desk is a playing card. You can see it right there. I got some light shining on it. Might be a little bit hard to see, but we can see you have a set of playing cards here, the Reality Labo playing cards. You can play poker with them. They're 52 cards just like anything else, but what's special and magic about these cards is that you can use them to mix digital and real things together. And we're going to show in this video the unique things of being able to manipulate a three-dimensional object, and in this case, an impossible object, right? So we showed you these before. Can you imagine actually seeing these things out in the real world as a real object? Well, I've created these as actual models, and with Reality Labo, we're going to take a look at one of them in this video. All right, so we're looking down on the top of the card, and I have attached one of these impossible shapes to this object. And here we go. There we go. So we're taking a look at what I see through my phone, through the Reality Labo app, and the impossible shape is on this card. You can see it's attached to it. I can pick the card up and see that this is looking very strange, but this is actually an impossible object. Can you guess what this might look like at the right angle to make it appear like it's an impossible object? I'll give you a couple seconds to think about it, and then I'm going to show you the actual answer. And then I'm going to encourage you to actually go on and maybe explore some of these impossible objects for yourself. It's a great way to test your spatial acuity, meaning how well you understand and can see things in your mind. Give up? All right, let's take a look at what this object really looks like. Dun, da, da, da. This is the impossible object that I created, and that is what it looks like from different angles. You can actually take this object and throw it on the ground using Reality Labo and walk around it, get close to it, and try to see if you can find the right angle to make this impossible shape come to life. It's a great way to kind of figure out where you are in the world and how pieces look together. So when you're doing things like architecture or design, you can see a plan, a drawing, a representation of an actual 3D object, and you can see it better in your mind. It's great training for that. So we're going to be doing more of these impossible shape videos. I hope that you can join us and experiment along with us using Reality Labo. We'll see you next time, Reality Explorers. Bye-bye now.